Can I have some extra chips, please? Oh.
Ronnie, can you pass me the salt, please?
Rita, I don't suppose you can make tartar sauce, can you?
Tartar sauce not found.
Whoops! Rita, can you get Mama Go's fork, please?
Even I'm finding it hard to keep up.
It's all right, I'll get it.
And when you're finished, some apple juice, please.
I need a napkin.
And some more orange juice for me.
Me too.
Oh dear, I don't like the look on Ronnie's face. And now Rita's having trouble too.
Excuse me, let me see. Evening, like everyday juice.
What's happening?
I don't know.
Watch out for the flying fish, Dadamake.